up, everybody? Welcome to Mobility Conditioning today. Alright, I've got a quick video. I posted a short video on using this new tool that I got from my client Tom. So Tom's friend made this massager out of a jigsaw. So yeah, this is a DIY. You could make one of these yourself, but he handcrafted the tip of this thing, okay? That's pretty exciting, right? I won't be able to talk while using this, so here's my advice. If you get one of these, you can get fancy ones, stuff that costs like $400, $700. Well, this doesn't cost quite that much, but it is a pretty penny because he handcrafted that tip on there. You can use this on fleshy muscles, guys. Don't get too close to tendons. Don't get too close to bones, because when this thing is reverberating, it needs something soft. Hopefully your muscles are going to be soft enough after you use this, but definitely don't get too close to bones and too close to small, tight tendons, guys. If you bruise, you bruise, but try to stay in the fleshier part of your muscle. Are you ready for this demonstration? Alright, it's loud, so I can't talk again. I'm going to use this on my calf, my hamstring, a little bit in my forearm. Ready? Ready for the leg? That made like the fat in my tricep all jiggly. That was gross. Okay. Quadricep, not too close around the bony part of my knee. Go. There's a little bit of adjustability when you're using that as far as the speed that thing is going in and out, but typically you want to keep it at a pretty high speed, because the slower it goes, well, it's not really keeping enough vibration through your tissues. So just like vibration therapy, if somebody's just doing tapotments like this, that's a lot faster. So it's really going to stimulate blood flow through your tissues. I'm like worn out from just doing that. Oh, obviously I wasn't breathing while I was making those funny faces. So my advice to you is breathe through your funny faces while you do some sort of a vibrational massage, whether it's this really cool jigsaw turned into a massager or one of those fancy ones that you buy. But anyway, I wanted to show you that really cool tool. Well, if this guy is smart, he's going to be selling these things, and I think they'll be like $300. So it's a pretty hefty penny, but I think it's worth it. I'm going to need one. Tom's on vacation, so I got the rights to babysit this tool, and I absolutely love it. So anybody at the gym that we both work at, be jealous because I asked first to borrow this thing. Alright, that's it for mobility conditioning today. Just showing you a really cool tool that a really awesome machinist made. Okay, that's it. Sayonara. Watch the other videos. Innerrape.com. Follow my journey. Later.